What's up, everybody? Thanks for stopping back by the channel. You're at W&W Mods and my name is William, and today's video we're going to be installing the ZL1 front splitter on the 2SS. We're going to take the old one off and hopefully save it so we can repair it in a future video. So guys, I hope you stay with us on this video, and I hope you like what you see. Hit that subscribe and that like button. Hit that notification bell. Enough talking, time to get busy. All right, everybody, we've got the ZL1 front spoiler, which is this one here. And like I say, it is the ZL1 model, the one that just comes on the 6th generation ZL1s. Got it in from American Authority, and we're going to be replacing our old one here that I damaged the other day on the trip to Lover's Leap. So guys, time to get this old one off. All right, everybody, we've got the splitter moved out of the way. We've got the jack. Step one is there's not enough room down here to work. Those of you that own a Camaro know what I'm talking about. So step one is going to be finding a way to jack the car up so we can get a little bit of clearance so we can see what we're doing. All right, unfortunately, my jack will only lift one side at a time. So what we're going to loosen one side, and we're going to come over and work on the other side. So I think those are 7mm bolts that hold this piece on, but let me go find out and make sure. And just like that, you can see that the old one is off. You can see there is a difference in the way these are made. This one is made to ride more up into the grill of the car, where this one was made to stand down. So that's the difference between the two. And you can see here, you can easily see the damage that I did here. I wonder if this can be fixed, because it kind of, you know, mimics fiberglass. You know, fix it, and you know, you probably have to paint it, but I wonder if it could be fixed. Anyway guys, if you know, drop some comments in the links down below, and maybe we can try to get this thing fixed one day, because like I say, it's just damaged on that one end where I hit that pothole. But anyway, that's moved out of the way, and now we've got to prep the bottom of the car with our handy dandy alcohol wipe. Ooh, gotta love the way they smell. And we're just going to get all these together. I don't need one of these ending up in my tire. And we prep the bottom here with the alcohol wipe. And just go ahead and wipe all that, because I don't know exactly how the new one's going to go on. I'm going to have to do a test fit. And it's going to be a little difficult doing it by myself, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. You get all the way down here. I don't know what that is. And it's one on the other side too, so I guess that's something that holds the bottom part of the bumper on. Also need to go on the inside of the new splitter. Now, let's see if I can hold this up here and get a look at what it's going to look like and how it's going to fit. It should fit something just like that. Nothing like some 3-in-1 tape. Not 3-in-1. What am I talking about? 3M tape. Duh. I don't know if you guys can hear the rain or not. But it's pouring down pretty hard. Having to improvise here a little bit. Just want to get screws started where it'll help hold it up there for me like that. I like the way that comes off. Yeah. All right. definitely see the difference in the size. All right, everybody, that's gonna just about do it for this video right here. I hope you liked the new ZL1 splitter that we installed on the Camaro SS. I think it looks awesomely aggressive, and the carbon fiber is spot on. It's got a great weave, great polish, looks good. Tell me what you think. Drop me some links in the comments down below, and I'll put a link to where you can get you one of these should you decide you want to go this route. Like I say, my other splitter is here. This is the third splitter that we've had on the Camaro. Started off with the ABS plastic black, had it painted the same color as the car. Really didn't care much for that. Went with this other one here. It was okay, but I really wanted the ZL1 style to go with the ZL1 spoiler on the back of the car. So guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching. Hope I didn't drive you too crazy with bumping around with my head. It's kind of hard to work with a GoPro on your head. But with all that being said, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And guys, we will definitely see you on the next one.